Imagine earning $900 a day while spending time with your family. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I'm going to break it down step by step how this is possible. By the end of this video, you're going to know how you can use a proven automated system to make money online in just as little as 2 hours a day, even if you're a busy mom. Just like you, I was looking for a way to make money online without spending endless amounts of hours having to create something new or work and be attached to my phone 24/7 because I needed and wanted time with my son. If you're excited to learn more, comment Blueprint and I will personally send you the link to my free step-by-step guide. So what exactly is this that I'm talking about? This system is a course that teaches you step by step how to build a business online and how to make money. There are tools within it that show you how you can post free ads, how you can have your business on automations, how you can learn social media marketing, and so much more. You see, so many people fail online because they lack structure and they lack the skill set in order to succeed. But this system gives you a step-by-step blueprint to show you exactly how it can be done and how other people have done it before you and have succeeded with it. This system is great for beginners and for busy moms or parents who don't have a lot of time to spend. It can be done in as little as 2 hours a day, whether that is one chunk of 2 hours or if that 2 hours is broken up into smaller pieces so that it can be fit in around nap time. The reason this works is because you put your business on automations. So you spend those 2 hours doing income earning activities, and then the rest of the time, your automations are working for you 24/7 in the background so that you don't have to be glued to your phone or your laptop. The other reason that this system works for busy moms and parents is because it is a done for you system. So instead of spending hours creating your own templates and tools and automations, it's all already done for you. All you have to do is copy and paste and off you go. So that saves you tons and tons of time and energy. So you might be wondering, how much does something like this cost? Well, I can tell you that starting your own business from scratch can cost a lot of money. But by using a done-for-you system like this, it's a one-time low investment that you can quickly recoup because you can earn while you are learning the different tools within this business. And there are no additional monthly ongoing costs. It's just the one-time fee to get started. So it's a really low investment compared to starting everything from scratch yourself. If you're ready to get started or learn more information about this system, check the link down below in my description and it will give you all of the details. What have you got to lose to check it out? If you are a busy mom looking for something that gives you flexibility and control of your own life, then this system is definitely for you. It will give you the flexibility that you want and need. It has a proven track record with other people who have come before you so that you know that this system and the automations that are set up are proven and working. You will also learn how to have multiple different streams of income. So not just the one stream of income, but multiple different streams of income that you can learn throughout this as you grow. And there is a huge community of about 48,000 people now to support you with weekly live trainings so that you can get all of your questions answered. So if you've been looking for something to give you the freedom to live your life on your own terms, check out my link below in the description and get more details on what this system looks like. And stay tuned for more tips on digital marketing.